Hey there, fellow webmaster, I'm Christian and welcome to RackNerd TV. Today we're going to dive into installing MariaDB for the LEMP stack with the AlmaLinux OS, which by the way is a continuation of our LEMP stack web series here on our channel. I'll go ahead and paste the links in the description down below for our Linux series so you can check them out if you're interested to learn more. But for now, let's go ahead and talk about MariaDB for LEMP, that is LEMP. So let's get right into it. If you're wondering what MariaDB is and why it's beneficial for hosting websites, you can check out our video about that, which I will also link in the cards on this video and in the description down below. And before we begin with the tutorial, if you're enjoying the content we provide, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss any of our future videos. And for more information about our web hosting services, head on over to RackNerd.com, where you'll find powerful hosting solutions on a budget tailored specifically to help you host your websites with ease. Oh, and before I forget, you'll need a server running AlmaLinux OS with Nginx web server installed. You can learn how to do this on our previous videos on this channel, and if you ever need a VPS for your project, just head on over to RackNerd.com. I will also link in the description down below our video on how to order a VPS if you haven't already, as this tutorial will assume that you've already bought your own VPS and you already know how to log in to your SSH console. In this tutorial, I will be using Bitvice SSH client, which I will also paste in the download link in the description down below if you want to use it also. Now let me go ahead and share my screen and let's get into the tutorial. So once logged into your server with SSH, let's go ahead and update our system's package repository by running the following command. Mine has already been updated earlier, but this will make sure that we are using updated installation packages as we go on to our installation. This workflow also applies to other OS and web stacks. You'll need to update your server or system's package repository so you can get the latest updates and bug fixes when you're using it. Now once the update is complete, let's now install MariaDB by typing the following command. This command will let us install the latest stable version of MariaDB. And once the installation is complete, we will need to start the MariaDB service and enable it to start on boot by using this one-line command. This will ensure that whenever your server has been restarted or rebooted, it will automatically unattended, meaning without you going through the hassle to run the start command once again with your SSH console. So to check the status of our MariaDB installation, let's go ahead and run this command. As you can see, our MariaDB is currently active, which means we've successfully installed it with our previous steps, but we're not done just yet. Let's quit first the systemd console by hitting Q on our keyboard, because after installing MariaDB, we also need our database to be secured, so let's move over to securing our MariaDB for the next step by running MariaDB wizard with the following command here. Please go ahead and follow the on-screen instructions to set a root password. Remove any anonymous users, disallow remote root login, and remove the test database. These steps will enhance the security of your MariaDB installation. Once all set up, it's time to log in to our MariaDB database with password set up for it using this line of code to log in as the root user. We will be prompted to enter our credentials, so make sure that you have it noted from the security wizard we just ran earlier when securing MariaDB. Once you get in, then that's it. Now you can start leveraging the power and performance of MariaDB for your website hosting needs. And there you have it. You have successfully installed and secured MariaDB for the LEMP stack with AlmaLinux OS. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. If you run into any issues, also let us know in the comments down below and we'll reach out to you. I would love to hear about your experiences with MariaDB on LEMP, and if you have any questions. Remember, for more comprehensive information about web hosting, database management, and all things web hosting related content, subscribe to RackNerd TV on YouTube or head over to RackNerd.com. We have a wide range of hosting services and have an excellent support team ready to assist you. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay curious, stay passionate, and keep exploring the wonderful world of web hosting. Take care.